Now, as a very senior RSS leader called for removing the terms socialism and secularism from India's constitution, it's the opposition that has claimed that the Sangh has never accepted the Indian constitution, and their renowned call is a part of a long-standing conspiracy to dismantle Ambedkar's vision for our country. Watch this report.
RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabale has called for a debate on removal of the words socialist and secular from the preamble of the Constitution. While speaking at an event to mark the 50th anniversary of the 1975 emergency in Delhi.
हम सब लोगों को मालूम है सेक्युलरिज्म और सोशलिज्म की वो प्रस्तावना में नहीं थे, पहले प्रियम्बल में नहीं थे। उन दो शब्दों को जोड़ा है। प्रियम्बल शाश्वत रूप से है। क्या सोशलिज्म के विचार आइडियोलॉजी के नाते क्या शाश्वत है भारत के लिए?
The BJP endorsed Hosabale's demand.
Any right-thinking citizen will endorse it because everybody knows that this is not the part of the original constitution which was written by Dr. Ambedkar and the rest of the committee. This is not the question of BJP versus non-BJP. It's the question of preserving the democratic values, preserving the constitutional values.
Method of introduction.
And those who are flaunting the constitution book are actually the biggest violators of the constitution.
The Congress hit out at the RSS and the BJP, calling them anti-constitution.
The RSS never accepted this Constitution of India and its foundational pillars of social justice, economic justice, political justice, saying that this Constitution did not derive inspiration from the ideals of Manu. It was not based on Manu's.
The remarks by the RSS leader assume significance as the BJP and Congress have been accusing each other, attacking the constitution framed by B.R. Ambedkar and other stalwarts of the Constituent Assembly. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi had made Samvidhan Bachao the theme of his campaign during 2014 Lok Sabha elections.
The RSS and the BJP are trying to destroy India's constitution and change India's constitution. The Congress Party and the India Alliance is trying to save the constitution of India.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on the other hand, has time and again described the imposition of emergency by Indira Gandhi in 1975 as one of the darkest chapters in India's democratic history.
कल 25 जून को भारत के लोकतंत्र में जो काला धब्बा लगा था, उसके 50 वर्ष हो रहे हैं। भारत की नई पीढ़ी इस बात को कभी नहीं भूलेगी कि भारत के संविधान को पूरी तरह नकार दिया गया था, लोकतंत्र को पूरी तरह दबोच दिया गया था।
The RSS General Secretary's pitch for removal of terms socialist and secular from the preamble has now sparked off a new political face-off.
The big question is it mere rhetoric, or will the Modi government go ahead and remove these two words from the preamble of the Constitution? This is something that remains to be seen. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.